Are you considering pursuing a different career path than the one you're currently on? Although it might feel daunting, it is doable with a little preparation. First, determine which path you'd like to take. If it's close to your current career trajectory, making a jump will be easier. However, if you're looking to make a huge shift, consider the stepping stones you might need along the way. Do research on your chosen field. Learn about industry trends, identify transferable skills you can offer, and explore opportunities that mesh with your goals. Build a strong network in this new area and talk to people to gain more information. Start to transition your personal brand to support your new direction. This includes your resume, LinkedIn profile, and even how you think of yourself. Be confident. No longer are you considering this goal, you are this new person. A career transition requires some creativity beyond your resume. Above all, keep moving forward. Even if it takes smaller steps to achieve your bigger goal, you'll get there.